Hello everyone. So this is another video in the series of SQL or DBMS interview questions. We are trying to help you with the DB interview questions. So we'll see what are the next DB questions. So what is SQL injection? So SQL injection is a hacking technique which is widely used by black hat hackers to steal data from a tables or database. Let's say if you go to a website and given a user information password, the hacker would add some malicious code over such that he can get the user information and password directly from the database. If a database contains any vital information, it's always better to keep it secure from SQL injection attack. Now, what is commit? Define commit and give an example. If this is asked from you, so you can say when a commit is used in all transactions, all changes made in the transaction are written into the database permanently. For example, begin transaction, delete from HR job candidate where job candidate equal to 22. Commit transactions. The above example deletes a job candidate in SQL Server database. Can you join table by itself? A table can be joined to itself using a self join when you want to create a result set that joins records in a table with other records in the same table. So self join is possible. What is trigger? A trigger is a stored program in database which automatically gives response to an event of DML operations done by insert, update or delete. In other words, is nothing but an auditor of events happening across all the database tables. Let's look at an example of a trigger. So you can define trigger by create trigger, trigger name, and you need to say on which DML operations like before update, after before delete, so like that. How to find the nth highest salary in the SQL? This is one of the favorite interview questions. So this is how we can find the highest salary in SQL Server using top keyword. Select top one salary from select distinct top n salary from employee table, order by salary descending as temp order by salary. This is how we can find the nth highest salary in MySQL using limit keyword. Select salary from employee order by salary description limit n-1. So what is database black box testing? This testing involves data mapping, data stored and retrieved, use of black box testing techniques such as equivalence, partitioning and boundary value analysis. What is subquery? A subquery is a SQL query nested into a larger query. For example, select employee ID, first name, last name from employee where department in, and then we can start again a bracket where which is the nested or a subquery. Select department ID from department where location ID equal to 20,000 order by first name and last name. How to copy tables in SQL? We can use the select into statement to copy data from one table into another. Either we can copy all the data or only some specific columns. This is how we can copy tables, copy all the columns in a new table. Select star into a new table name from old table name where conditions. If you want to copy only some specific columns, we can do like select column 1, column 2, whatever columns you want to copy. How to use like in SQL? The like operation checks if a attribute value matches a given string pattern. Here is an example of like operators. For example, select star from employee where first name like Steven or first name like Amit. With this command, we can be able to extract all the records with the first name like Steven or Amit. If you drop a table, next question is, if you drop a table, does it also drop related objects like constraint index, columns, default value, views, stored procedure, etc.? The answer is yes. The SQL Server drops all the related objects which exist inside a table like constraint, index, columns, default, everything. Next question is, can we disable a trigger? If yes, how? Yes, we can disable a single trigger on the database by using disable trigger name on, and we can also have an options to disable all the triggers by using disable triggers all on the server. What is a live log? A live log is one where a request for an exclusive log is repeatedly denied because a series of overlapping shared log keeps interfering. A live log also occurs when read transactions create a table or page. How to find a second highest salary in SQL? Below is the syntax to find second highest salary in SQL. Select name max salary from employees where salary is less than select max salary from employee. So this will give you the second highest salary. So that's all from the today's videos, and if you have any more questions, you can write to us in the comment section, and if you think the videos are helpful, do like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.